I know. I know. I've been teasing it for a month. But today is the day. Today, this fires off. First things first. What's the first thing we check? Tranny fluid. All right. So this has been sitting empty for a while. And what we're going to use? Well, actually, we're not going to use a bunch of these, but we're going to use 3 of these because I know that tranny. Well, no, the thing is, I don't know that tranny. And so we're going to use 3 of these. We're going to top that off because I know that transmission is absolutely empty or pretty much all the way empty. And they hold about 10, 11 quarts. So I know it needs some fluid. So I want to protect that pump to make sure it don't start dry. All right. And I got the fuel line set up. I know this is the one from the original engine, which I know that one works. You saw it work. If you want to see it work, you check out the other video about me pulling it out of the farm truck it was in. We're gonna run a line from there out to there in a can for fuel. I'm not gonna run it very long, but we're gonna fire the. I want to hear it. I really want to hear this thing fire, and everything is wired. We're gonna get the. As you can tell, I've been working on the headlights, and I got everything marked to what it is. I just want to hear this thing run. I did my job right, changing that lock cylinder because Mom requested turnkey, no pumping, no switches, no nothing. Just turn the key and run because she wants to go drag racing. So let's see. Did I do my job right? Okay. So on this, we'll just turn the key on. We got turn signals. Hey, we got turn signals, and then that means we have. Let's see. We have hazard lights. All right. All right. So let's see if we got this wired up correctly. Hey, we're working. All right, I've done all my double checks. It's got oil, it's got fuel. Up into the accelerator pump. Okay. Power's plugged in. This should be right at where I want it. So let's kick this pig. Woo! First hit! You betcha, baby. You betcha. Okay, that's how it should. All right, now, just to backtrack. I set the timing. I had the timing on here. I was about 10 degrees. I know this is close. Oh, man, that's just awesome. You guys want to know how to piss off the neighbors on a Sunday afternoon? Start one up with open headers, with the door open. It's a lot of fun. Like, share, and subscribe. You see it? You see a little smoke, the little header smoke, the little burn off smoke. Yeah, you can smell it. All you guys know, that first fire off, that smell. Oh, and I didn't even open the doors. We're doing this inside the close. This is such a good day. Such a good day. Today was a very good day. It was a very, very good day. I couldn't have been happier. Everything I've done to this point it's fought me every step of the way, all the way down to the lock cylinder on the steering column and rusted bolts, and just everything seems to need to be replaced or fixed or made better. But it was all worth it. Hearing that thing run today made it all worth it. And I thank all of you for being along for the ride and for me to be able to share this with you. We're not done yet. Now, I don't want to run it too much because it doesn't have a water pump on it and doesn't have the radiator hooked up to it, which they're all back in the back of the truck in boxes ready to go. We're going to be assembling, and that's when I can have it running and get it up to temperature and that's when I'm going to be doing the final set on the carburetor and the final set on the timing, and those will be in later episodes. So please come by, check them out. This is going to be piece by piece by piece on my dad's tribute truck here, Texas Joy. Been a good day. Been a very, very good day. I'd like to thank all of you. Y'all have a great day, because great day today can be a first start tomorrow. First start tomorrow. Y'all be good. I just thought I'd let you guys hear